Hey, welcome back. In this video we're gonna be dealing with some nasty battery corrosion. Like this example right here. This is a 90s electret microphone that takes one AA battery. This has been left in a drawer and forgotten with the battery inside, which eventually leaked like they always do, and it left this mess behind. Now, first thing we're gonna do is clean everything with isopropyl alcohol. Get a Q-tip, get a paper towel, clean everything. This is not gonna do much for the corrosion, but we gotta clean everything, and then we will start scraping. A screwdriver is perfect for this job, but in my case, the screwdriver didn't do much. So I scraped, then I cleaned up a bit, then I scraped some more. It didn't work. So I had to go get the big guns, the mighty Dremel. Now, using this steel brush usually does the trick, and it actually did remove a lot of it, but not enough, because the corrosion is very deep in the metal. So the next level up is the grinding stone, which actually worked here, but there is very limited space in there, so it's better if you can take out the metal part, desolder it, hold it in your hand. There's a lot more room to work with. And after scraping a lot, and you see it's now dark here, now we're getting somewhere. It actually worked. So after scraping a lot and polishing it, actually, now we have to tin it and solder it back in the device. Put the battery in, see if everything checks out. Now we got some voltage, and we're done. In this case, now we have a happy microphone. This is the electret mic, which now works perfectly. And for my next trick, this 1975 portable microscope. This is a very simple device, and the batteries inside are just to operate the incandescent bulb inside, which switches on by this momentary push button. And of course it doesn't work. It just takes two AA batteries and that's all. Now let's dig in. Here's the incandescent light bulb. I thought I might switch it to an LED, but I actually like the warm light of the incandescent light bulb. Now, as you can see, it's a very simple device. You just have one lens that's moving up and down. That's how it focuses. And the other one is just the eyepiece. That's it, very simple, yet effective. Now, this is the problem. The negative terminal is all corroded, and we will fix it by the same method. Just scrape with a screwdriver, and I'm actually gonna speed things up with the Dremel and the sanding stone. Keep grinding, cleaning, and grinding again. Since I can take it out and hold it in my hand, might as well clean and grind everything. And that's about it. Put the batteries in and it works. Now let's put everything back together. Just check if everything is aligned and working properly. Now another happy device. Now, as you saw, this is not a very difficult job to do, even if you don't have the right tools. It just takes time. It's good to have the right tools, like a Dremel or a grinding stone or anything like that, just to speed things up and make your life easier. But even without those, just with a screwdriver, it can get done. There we go. That's another very quick repair. First of all, you know what to do down there. I would like to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep it funky.